Hello everybody, welcome to the second video in Asia to America snacks. In this one I'm going to be trying the Tokyo bananas. They're the coolest souvenir and you can't leave Tokyo without getting them. So this is what it looks like when you take off the wrapping paper, and inside of this box there's 8 of these. So it's time to try them. I'm now going to try this Tokyo banana. While I was trying to open it, I think it got a little smushed by it. So it tastes like a normal Twinkie, but if it was flavored banana inside. I would probably give a Tokyo banana a 9 out of 10. It tastes not exactly like a banana, but super close. In Tokyo, they describe a Tokyo banana as an anime banana. And like I said, it's super good. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Asia to America snacks.